Take a ride in the 2021 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, heated side mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.